Namaskar. I'm Sudipta Singh. I'm an architect by qualification but environmentalist by passion. Since last 20 years, I have been working in the field of green building, environmental planning and sustainable development. Through this platform, I would like to share some of my experiences and my journey. The name of my company is Sustainability Leaders Odisha Private Limited. Then people often ask me, why Odisha in the name? Is it not restricting your business by confining the area? Then my humble answer always is no. Because I believe in the famous quote of Sir Patrick Geddes that think globally but act locally. I'm not limiting my business. Rather, I'm focusing my action in my community, my city, my state. Because within my capacity, if I can make my place green, then definitely it will multiply one day to the globe. Then now question is, what is green? People often think green means only greenery or plantation. But here I would like to clarify what is the exact meaning of green in sustainable development. Green means the resource conservation in each and every field of development to reduce the overall carbon footprint. That includes energy efficiency, water conservation, waste management, low energy material, renewable energy integration, biodiversity protection, environmental sustainability, etc. Odisha will be declared as green when all the green policy of all the state government departments will be truly implemented on ground, not just on paper as a greenwash. When carbon emissions of Odisha will truly take a reverse count and we can make positive environmental impact on the planet with our economic development. You must be aware that our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has committed at the global platform that India will be net zero emission by 2070. This is one of the pledge of Panchamrit which was taken in COP26 in 2021. But looking at the present scenario, do you believe that we are doing enough in our community, in our city, in our state to meet this ambitious goal? Unfortunately, no. If you want to know the reason behind this assessment, please watch my next video. If you have your own perspective to share, kindly comment below. Thank you.